This is Redfeather from Grep Haxs. In this video, we will be showing you two easy speed functions. The speed functions can be used for a couple of reasons in a Kdenlive video production. You could use these speed functions for slow motion or a video size reduction, to which also aids in removing viewer boredom and keeping to the point. Keep in mind, in Kdenlive, when you speed up, it reduces the size. When you slow down, it increases the size of the video clip. Being that said, it is advisable in Kdenlive to keep any speed increase to smaller clips. For the first speed function in Kdenlive, we will have to recreate the video. So in the project bin, right-click on the video you wish to adjust the speed. Scroll down to Job Clips, then scroll down to Duplicate Clip with Speed Change, and click. A Kdenlive Create Clip with Speed Change box will appear. Notice the slider bar. You can adjust the speed by this bar or change the percentage rate in the percentage window. Or move to the right and click on the expandable menu, as I have done, and choose one of the preset sizes. Notice I have clicked the 50% size in Kdenlive. This has prompted a window asking if I want to overwrite the original video clip. It is up to you on how to answer. I said no for two reasons. One, I have not yet tested this, and two, I may wish to use the original video again in the future. If you answered no, as I did in Kdenlive, it will put you back where you started. So just right-click on the video, scroll down to Clip Jobs, click on Duplicate Clip with Speed Change. All we have to do now is give the video a new name. And in Kdenlive, at this time, you may wish to change where your MLT file is going. As you can see, mine is set to go to my Kdenlive folder. The MLT file, by default, is set to go wherever the original video is. Also keep in mind that in Kdenlive, MLT files can get tricky. For example, if you're saving to, say, a USB drive, it is advisable to have the MLT file there. Once you have changed the name and are done making any changes, choose how to make your speed change and then click OK. Once this is done in Kdenlive, a couple of things have happened. As you can see, it has recreated your clip in the project window, but also sent the recreated clip and an MLT file to your Kdenlive folder or to the original placement of your video clip, if you did not change the directory. Now, in Kdenlive, you can put the recreated clip with speed change on your timeline for testing and possible rendering, if you are satisfied with the outcome. Rendering by itself may be preferred at this time in Kdenlive, depending upon your system. The next procedure in Kdenlive requires an effect. Place your video on the timeline, click on the effects list, In the search bar, type in speed, grab the speed effect, and drag it and drop it into the video clip on the timeline. In the Kdenlive properties area, notice the slider bar. You can adjust the speed using the slider bar or manually change it in the percentage window. The most popular for me has been 2000%. Notice the difference in size after the Kdenlive speed reduction. The rest of this video is my rendered projects with different speed settings.
Did you just catch that?
I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? After all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.